Hello?
I'm going to have to cancel our tea time for today.
Why? What's wrong?
I'm drowning. This old software, all the paperwork, it's a nightmare.
I'm telling you, ProConnect's automation saves me so much time. Best decision I ever made. It's built on the Lacerte Engine.
I didn't know that.
Thanks to QuickBooks Integration, trial balance import is a breeze. I can pull transcripts directly from the IRS and so many options for importing client data.
But I have thousands of clients.
I do too. They have all the forms that I need to go above and beyond for my clients. We just acquired a new firm this year.
Onboarding all those new clients must have been mayhem.
No way. They have a professional services team that converted our data and onboarded our team in no time.
Well, that must be nice. I guess I'll have to modernize my firm next year.
Why wait? It's so easy you can make the switch this season.
Modern clients expect modern solutions. Modernize your firm with ProConnect Tax.